What up, Mogul fam? How you guys doing today? Me and Artie are sitting right here chilling on the fake grass, and we're gonna talk to you guys about the California registration fees and how expensive it is to own a car in Los Angeles. There you go, Artie.
Sales tax. Is this on?
What's up, Mogul fam? Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today, me and Artie right here are gonna talk to you guys about California registration fees and how much it costs to own a car in California, or actually more like Los Angeles, because if you're gonna be buying a car here, you know what's up.
Now, when we're talking about sales tax, if you're buying any car in the state of California, well, to be particular, LA County, you are paying 9.5% of the car's price in tax. So if you're buying a $100,000 car, you're basically paying $9,500 in tax, $9,500 to waste. In Philadelphia, if you're paying 6%, if you live in the suburbs like Bucks County, you're paying 6%, but if you trade that car in, you get a tax credit for your next purchase. So if you buy the car for 100 grand, you pay that 6%, which is 6 grand. You trade it in for, let's say, 50 grand or 75 grand, or it's gonna go towards your next vehicle that you are purchasing at your next dealer. Let's start talking about the registration cost of owning a car in California. In Philadelphia, you're paying $37 a year for your registration. Doesn't matter if it's a $90,000 car or a $40,000 car, whatever it is. Now, the Mercedes C250 that's behind me, you guys know that's my daily driver. You might have seen it in a video where I tried to trade it into CarMax and they offered me 7 grand for it. I just paid my registration for this car and it was $290. So I'm paying $290 for a car that was appraised at 7 grand to be traded in. Now I also have the Porsche GT4. I just bought the car, so the registration was part of the whole purchase price, including the sales tax, so I don't really want to think about that right now. But here's AB to continue the video.
Get this camera back.
Bro, what happened?
So guys, already talked about the C-Class and the Porsche that he got. Now let's talk about big luxury cars, because right here, as you can see right here, the 4x4 squared, in order to register that car is going to cost you about $3,500 to $4,000. I mean, that's a lot of money, especially, let's talk about sales tax. Sales tax on this car, if you're buying in California, you're going to pay approximately about $25,000. It's just crazy. But if you got a car like this, like let's just say in Montana, all you're going to pay is a couple $100. And you're going to be saving that $30,000 to $40,000 you're going to be spending on registering and paying sales tax on this car. It's just crazy. Living in LA is very expensive. Pretty much you got to make triple the income to afford a normal house here, a nice car like this, and just to live the lifestyle where LA people live. So.
And car insurance alone. When I was still in Philly, I had a multi-car discount with one insurance company. I had a 750, a Lambo, and a Mercedes C-Class. I paid with all the discounts was like $418
Sorry about
a
the
month.
horn, guys.
My bad. When I moved out here, I just bought a 4MATIC E-Class, and the same insurance company, just because I changed plates and changed the location, they boosted it up to like close to 300. It was 307 or $308 a month for one car. So insurance is also a big factor that you have to take into consideration of living in LA. You got beautiful palm trees, beautiful weather, 360 days out of a year, nice dry hills. It is what it is.
I'm going back to Cali.
Yeah, okay, so again, registration costs, sales tax, and insurance is super expensive. This is just a regular, not in-depth information vlog type of video. So if you guys are trying to move to California, best thing to do is not watch this video. Go to california.gov.
ca.gov.
ca.gov.
You can get a lot of technical information.
Yeah, and make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment. Peace.